It's been about 3 or 4 days since we painted this hood, and I'm going to show you how to cut and buff this Rustoleum with clear with pearl on it. So the hood's 60 bucks. I have $55 in sheet metal. I probably have $100 in Bondo. Less than $100 in paint for way more than you need.
You're below half the price of a hood, so
Way.
that's a win to me.
This video is sponsored by Super Clean. I haven't been known for being super clean, but I'm working on it. I want to show you some products here that work really well on anything that you're going to use. You clean off grease. Super Clean, all-wheel cleaner. Try this out. I'm going to show you how it works. Man, that's super clean. Available at retailers near you. Now back to the video. To see if we can bring this back and get the orange peel off of this hood. And we're gonna start off with 1,000 grit. 1,000 grit, wet sand. So you'll notice there is still some shiny bits on it. Go to 2,000 with a pad. 2,000 grit. Shinier, a little bit smoother. And then go to a 3,000 grit pad on the cheapest Harbor Freight $14 sander. 3,000 grit. Shine's coming back. Okay, this has rubbing compound on it. Still a little hazy. All right, I brought in the professional Zach.
All right, we're gonna get this hood polished up today.
Zach's got the right tool for the job, so we're gonna see how it turns out. You're not gonna mess up this thing.
You never know.
It's already way messed up.
It's shining up. Oh, already, Jason. And that was a light pad. Oh my lord, that's way better, Jason. Okay, it almost looks gray.
Yeah, it does.
You see that? This separation right here?
It looks almost gray.
Yeah, like it's making it a lot more black. That's crazy. I knew it was gonna look better. I didn't know it was gonna look that much better. That's my favorite part about polishing. It always brings out the color.
You're gonna make me want to put this thing on. That's crazy. There was a bug party when I sprayed it. Wow. Looks black now.
It's crazy. God, so much better.
Sparkles.
Yeah, they're really popping. Oh yeah, that's way
Oh
better.
my gosh. Look at that. That's awesome. That's just stupid.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Look at that.
Stupid. No one's gonna look at this anyways, because no one looks at Rams. They'll be over 10 feet, so you won't be able to see any of this stuff.
Gotta have these if you're gonna be polishing anything.
So the hood's 60 bucks. I have $55 in sheet metal. I probably have $100 in Bondo. less than $100 in paint for way more than you need?
Half the price of a hood, so
Way.
that's a win to me. Come feel this. God, it's getting even darker, it looks like. Oh yeah.
So Zach, if someone wants to hire you, they can hire you to do this, correct?
Sounds good, yeah.
Cool.
I'd love to do it for anybody.
So people can hire you if you're in the valley and you want Zach to fix your paint or to detail your car out with the paint, we'll give everyone his information. Here's what we're gonna do. So I'm going to loosen these up, and then you have to hold it, and then tip down this way, and then take it. We've got a problem. We've got a problem. We got to figure out what's going on there. Why that gap is. We've got issues. Looks cool. We've got some issues there. We gotta figure out what's going on with this hood. It's cool. It's just not. It's not right. Looks cool. It's just some fitment issues. All right, we'll figure it out. Let's recap on this hood.
And think about what we've done.
Is it a win? I think the paint is a win. I would totally do that again. Remember, this is a test for my son's Jack's truck. So I think that's a win. Is the hood a win? Let's look at all the money that we've put into this hood. We've got $60 into the hood. We've got $50 into the metal. Probably $80 into Bondo and $100 into paint and supplies. So that comes down to about $310 for this completion of this hood based off a Facebook Marketplace cheap dented hood. No, it doesn't fit. There's some issues with clearance on this hood, and we're gonna have to resolve that to make this work. It's heavier with the metal and the Bondo and everything else, and they're super light. By doing this to the hood, it made it heavier so the gas struts don't work. So that's not a win. At the end of this project, which took
Way too long.
to do, we have a hood that could be half the price. So when you look at these fiberglass hoods that are reproduction for the sport hoods, they're $500. New ones that are metal are $1,000 without paint. So you're looking at paint, same cost, $100. That's $600 for the cheapest RT hood. And this has functional vents. So overall, I'm gonna call this a
Loss.
and here's why. It doesn't work. It doesn't function the way that we want to function. And I've put so many hours into this to make this work. To have it not function isn't worth your time. Work some overtime. Get the hood, get a used one. Get something from the junkyard that is already done, that doesn't have any dents in it. Your time is worth money. And right now, this probably isn't worth the time that we put into this project. You can't win them all, and you live and learn. So thanks for watching. We appreciate everyone following our adventures here, our lifestyle in Arizona, and stay tuned. We've got a lot of good things coming this year. So I appreciate everyone, and take it easy.